Welcome to Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. This video is all about the introduction. That means whoever watching my channel, they have so many doubts that whether I am a directional trader or a non-directional trader, whether I am a buyer or a seller. All those questions will be answered in this video. Now, I am a indices trader. That means I only trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I don't trade stocks, I don't trade commodities, gold, I don't trade Bitcoin, something like that. I only trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty. And the next question is, am I a directional trader or a non-directional trader? I am purely a directional trader. Directional trader, I will show you an example of directional traders. See here, in this chart, today's chart, this is 21/7/2022. In this chart I am showing you there is a big move from here till here. This is directional trade. That means you know the direction of the index. If the index is going up like this, you will take the trade, or if the index is going down like this, you will take the trade. This is called directional trading. And whether I am a option buyer as well as a option seller. Yes, I am a buyer as well as option seller. Sometimes I buy, sometimes I sell. During expiry trades I sell especially, but nowadays I have withdrawn my capital from my Demat account. That's why I am only buying. Now what is my approach? As I was a directional trader, no need to check VIX, option chain, etc. in my trading approach. This is so calm and peaceful approach with CPR and 20 MA. If you enter at right point, you will get a blast of profits. Now, so many traders are very vexed about checking VIX, option chain, etc. There is no need to check VIX, option chain with my setup. Please go and watch my other videos also, so that you will know clearly about what I am saying. Now next one is lessons I have learned through these years. This I am telling this because whenever you have started your journey, you just step into some strategy, you just enter into the markets and do whatever you want. For the beginner's luck, whoever enters the market will get some profits in the earlier days. Later on they will lost all the amount they have got in the early days, and with capital also. Their Demat accounts will be wiped out without following the rules. Some of the rules I have been followed, and I am successful now. I will tell you what are those. The lessons learned here is enter after close of the candle. Yes, enter after close of the candle. This looks like so simple, but in the live market it makes a lot of difference. If you don't enter after the close of the candle, you will get 5 out of 10 trades are failure trades, because I will show you why. I will show you why. In this video I will show you. Yeah, please wait a second. I will show you this. Yeah, see here, I will play this for you. Now in this chart I want to enter after the close of this candle. That was my strategy. And here it looks like this candle will close about 20 EMA, and I am very confident that I will get a blast now. After the close of this candle, I am expecting a big move like this. Now I know I have to enter after the close of the candle, but with anxiety and some sort of emotions, I have entered before the close of the candle. See, after the close of this candle, what will happen? Just See this, you will understand what am I saying. This this small mistake will give you huge losses. Try to avoid this in your future trades. This will help you to get some more profits. See here, after I am showing this candle is about to close above this, but only 5 seconds remaining. This is a rejection candle. There is a lot of difference between rejection candle and a pure bullish candle. You have to understood this. From tomorrow onwards, please don't enter before the close of the candle. That will give you more losses. Number 2, stop loss below or above the entry candle. You have to put your stop loss below or above the entry candle. It's a must. Why? I will tell you why. If you want to enter here in this candle and didn't put your stop loss here, most of the times you will see that your trades come till here, till this area, and again bounces back. In this case it didn't came like that, but most of the cases it has the tendency that the price came till the low of the candle and again bounces back. If you enter here and you place your stop loss below this area, that is the perfect process. You have to do this. If this candle is so big, for example, I trade only 20 points stop loss. If any candle more than 20 points, I will avoid that trade. Most of the cases, around 20 to 22 points or 25 points, I will take the trade. Okay, rare cases, but most of the time below 20 points I will take the trade. And if the low of that candle breaks, you have to understood that there is no momentum in the right now. There is no momentum to take the prices like here or take the prices down like here. So you have to take your losses and get out of the trade. If you didn't get out of the trade, it may wipe out your capital. It's not a silly thing. You may wipe out your capital. I have seen some cases like this. Novice traders didn't put their stop loss below the candle. They keep praying to the God that please move the price in the up move, or please move the price in the down move. They are praying like that, but here praying is a sin. Understood? Here praying is a sin. You don't have to pray anything. You have to pray to get right strategy, to get your rules executed. That thing should be only be prayed. Okay, now let's go to our another one. Practice one strategy for at least 3 months. Yes, choose one strategy and practice for at least 3 months. In the first 2 months you may not be profitable. Those 3 months you have to check whether you are executing the strategy in a good way or not. Then rectify those mistakes, and in the 3rd month probably you will be profitable. Please do this. You need to give some time to get profitable. This is not a common profession to get into and get some huge profits. Leave that kind of mindset. You have to work hard. You have to give lots of screen time. You have to read books. You have to follow some mentors. You have to do confluence of factors in your favor. That means you have to do multiple things to get successful in this field. Now, journaling your trades. This is the 4th point. Journal your trades every single day. As I already said, practice one strategy for 3 months. I am telling you, journal your trades. That means if your strategy is not working out that day, you just take the printout of that day and write down what is not doing in your way. Why is it not executed in your way? What are the reasons for that? Analyze. and every day before market starts you have to check those printouts and check what was the mistakes you have made. Take a note that today I won't do that mistakes. If you do this process for a long time, that means for about 3 months, there is a great probability that you could make some good amount of money in this field. Okay, I will show you how I am journaling my trades and how I rectify my mistakes with that. This will give you a good idea about how to journal your trades. You can have some different ideas also. According to your needs, you can journal your trades. This is my journal. So sorry for that. This is in vertical form. I did some work about this, but it didn't get well. This is my trading journal. I took Nifty and Bank Nifty, both the indices charts every single day, and I write what went wrong, what is right, everything in my charts. I'm not saying that if you do this within 1 month you will be profitable, but it helps to be profitable in the future. This is one of the main important habit of successful traders, profitable traders. You can see I have these printouts with a small book also. I journal every day. I write everything. The psychology, the mindset while taking my trades, everything I write in this book. I keep on reading this book every single day, make sure that the rules have followed. Sometimes even though I do all these things in the live market with such pressure and some greediness and some different emotions takes place, then you will violate your rules. That is very common. But after you violated your rules also, next day you have to be really committed to your rules. Until then you will not be successful. This is one of the good habit of professional traders. Now trade the process in the sense, if you take a trade today, you choose a strategy and you traded today, you have some profits. You traded tomorrow, you have losses. You traded day after tomorrow, again you have losses. Then you may felt like, oh, what is this, I am getting losses every single day, this is not the right strategy. No, nothing like that. That's the process. You have to go step by step to achieve the hill point. Okay, you can't at a time go immediately to high profits. It's a step by step process. Whenever your stop loss hit, just ask yourself, what is the mistake I have made here, why my stop loss got hit. That question will give you right answer. All your winning trades will be hiding in losing trades. Remember this word clearly in your mind, or write down in some paper and put it in front of your monitor. All your winning trades are in your losing trades. If you question why am I losing this, you will get the answer. And another one is, trading is a probability game. That means you follow a 1 lakh rupees strategy from a trading guru. It doesn't mean that you will get every time profits. You understand that the name probability? There is a probability that 60% of the time any strategy could work. I am telling you could work. It may not be every time give you profits. That's why you have to be really need another source of income, because in this profession you will not get regular income. Some months may be losing months, some months may be huge profit months. So keep this in mind. Trading is a probability game, not a certainty game. Now the last point is, no need to take the trade every single day. Yes, you heard right. No need to take the trade every single day. Most of the novice traders and intermediate pro traders also. Sometimes pro traders do very minute mistakes, but novice traders tend to have this mindset that every single day I have to trade, I have to take money from the market every single day. If you have this type of mindset, please erase it from your mind, because no need to take the trades every single day. That means if you force a trade, definitely it may hit your stop loss. Sometimes it may give you profits, but those profits with some of the capital will be gone away tomorrow. That means if you don't follow, if you are not disciplined with your system, it will take all your money. Okay, these are the lessons I have learned throughout the trading career. I hope you will get some insights, some important points in this video. If any doubts, please ask me in the comment box. I will try to answer every single comment I get. Okay, now one of the subscriber has asked me about how to put stop loss in the spot chart for options chart. I forgot his name. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, please wait for a second. I have prepared this when he asked me, but I don't find time to explain this in the form of video. In this video I am going to explain this for you. Please stay tuned till the end. Actually, this is the red candle, and I want to enter for an instance. I am saying I want to enter after the close of this candle, but it's a big huge bearish candle, so I waited for a discount. Price came till here and I entered here. If buyers, they short here, I mean they buy PE here, in the sense they bought at 34,900. This is the spot chart. Now for example, in the spot chart 34,900 you shorted, and in the options chart 300 is the executed price. That means your entry price. Now you have to put your stop loss without seeing your option chart. This can be done with the help of spot chart. For example, 34,900 you have entered here, and I'm saying this for an instant. This is a big stop loss. Otherwise, I am saying this to understanding purpose. Okay, 34,900 and 35,000. In between 100 points are there, isn't it? 34,900 plus 135,000. Okay, if you want to put stop loss in options chart, you have to put like 34,900, 35,000. What is the difference? 100 points. 100 points by 2. How much? 50 points. 100 points stop loss in spot chart equal to 50 points in the options chart. That means in the options chart you are putting the stop loss at 250 rupees. Okay, this is the way we can put stop loss without seeing options chart. If at all, this is another instance, you want to put your stop loss at 34,900 to 34,950. In the sense you will get 50 points only in the spot chart. You can calculate 50 by 2, 25 points. If you put 25 points in the app, that means in the stop loss, that is 275 rupees, you will be putting your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, 25 points only. For a simple understanding purpose, 100 points in spot chart is equal to 50 points in the option chart. This is the understanding purpose I am saying. Okay, I think those who have problem with putting the stop loss without seeing options chart would clear this. Thank you very much for following my channel and supporting me. I am reading all the subscriber comments. I am so happy that they like my comment. It's my responsibility to clear all your doubts. Please please like my video, please subscribe my channel. Whoever need this content, please forward this to, share this to those persons, so that it will be useful for the needy persons as well as me, because this is a great opportunity for me to learn some new concepts and explain it to you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I am very grateful to you all. Thank you so much.